So I'm pretty new to FPV, definitely not new to drones. I do have my own company. It is a side business, not a full-time business, but trying out some FPV again. That time of year for me, I decided to try to do some dives and fly around and just see what I can get. So here's some of that footage.
Don't got no heart, I got an icebox. Brand new roller, swipe out the G-Shock. Moving slowly, I know the street hype. No more double, go ahead a detox. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Thugging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch a buzz. Get the cash and tell my family out the hood, that's a must. Was a hood baby with no soldiers. Bad past never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've died, that's why it's hard to stay sober. Glad to see the sun, but my heart getting colder. Life's so crazy, what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Tell my mama no more tears, no more tissue. Ooh, just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had to hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had to hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Pull up in that rain, see me ballin', yeah. 30 piece on my wrist like I'm Harden. Either they love me or I'm a target. Cause the ice on me is flawless. I've been busy and picking up when you callin'. And on purpose, I hate the fact we ain't talking. But anything that you need, dog, I got you, I mean that. All this pressure make it hard not to relapse. Build up aggression, make it hard for me to relax. To the hood, baby, ain't no way that I'ma lead that. My dogs need hope, step it up, I gotta be that. Cause life's so crazy, oh, ain't been through. I'ma love you way before I gotta miss you. Hold this mama by my side, from the baby, from the struggle. Long time had to hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had to hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through.
Yeah, guys, that was some okay FPV flying. I really like some of the nice smooth lines I got. I was really digging some of the turnarounds and stuff like that. The framing that I got was really good. Coming up to the monument arch thing, I thought was really good. The dives on this run, or on those several battery packs I got, not so good. I'll be the first to admit that. But you know what? All in all, I'm pretty happy. I'm still doing this thing. I'm going to keep doing this thing. It's one of the things I want to add to my business. And yeah, I think I can definitely go somewhere with it. I just have to keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it. And yeah, I think I got it. If you guys like this, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought. And smash that like button, as always. And yeah, I love to hear you guys' comments. I want to hear the good, the bad. Be a little easy on me, guys. You know, I am still new to this FPV thing. But, you know, I want to hear your thoughts. Peace out, guys.